How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today, it's the day we've been waiting for, preparing for a while. It is going to be the second RallyCross event we are attending in the lifted, supercharged Rally Miata. Currently, we are right here in Chicago. The RallyCross event is right here in Des Moines. It's a 5-hour drive. The car is ready, the bus is ready. So let's go ahead, start loading up. So let's go ahead and get going. We got a 5-hour drive ahead of us. The RallyCross event is tomorrow at 7 a.m.
7 a.m. I thought it was 9.
No, it's 7.
Painful.
Well, you know, you get a nap while I drive, so you can't complain too much. You excited, Pasha?
I am extremely excited.
Yeah, this is gonna be awesome. It's really warm in here.
It is.
It's very warm in here. We gotta get some air flowing in here. I'm about that milk first life.
Yeah, I was gonna say, who does that? Cheers first, man. What are you doing?
That, man.
What are you doing?
We successfully made it to the track. Here we are, having breakfast at the track. Pretty soon we will go ahead and get the car teched, and then racing will start. Before that, we also have to like walk the course and do some other stuff, but. Right now we're doing a little bit of a parade lap, just kind of checking out the course. This is a really big course, so it's gonna be awesome. For the first couple of runs, I'm not gonna film much because I'm getting used to the track. I'm gonna be going slow. The one thing about RallyCross is the way it's scored is that all of your runs are put into one big time. So it's more important to be consistent than to get one good run.
You're ready to go when you're ready. All right. So fun. Oh, a little bit of understeer, forgot this corner. She didn't overheat. That's the good news. As far as I can tell, the car survived. So let's do it again. I think it did good. Oh man. That thing is so loud. Mad Max is on the line.
was getting deep. They've tightened it up a little bit, so there is a little course change. So look for a little change. They've moved it over out of that rut.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. All right, so that was the first set of runs. It's all over. Car did good. I think it was okay. I don't really know what I'm doing. We have to go work on the track, and then we're gonna be back at it. So let's go, Pasha.
Mentioning me, little plug.
Daddy left, but I'm with you. So come with me and never look back. We're living life like a badass. Oh, you could have been a good girl, but instead you took the real world. Yeah, you've always been a savage. Oh, you've always been a bad chick. I don't care if you got issues. Daddy left, but I'm with you. So come with me and never look back. We're living life like a badass. Cruising PCH with the top down, drop down, headed nowhere fast, never stop now, not now. We ain't slowing down, never knowing that. We're just headed south, what it's all about, never out of doubt, yeah. She be sitting shotgun, she a hot one, in the hot sun, crop top on, I'm a hop on every single day.
While we were out on the course working, I was looking at the times of the last runs. Turns out I am currently the slowest overall time. Every car here. Well, all of the ones that were in our run group, which were all the heavily modified cars, so I gotta step up the game. This is my first event, obviously, so it's a learning experience. I don't really know what I'm doing yet. Oh, yes.
When you record
Who
yourself,
made these sandwiches? They're so good.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. That was me.
You did great. Wait, let me try. Okay, I don't like peanut butter, but
Just kind of a lot of peanut butter. I'm sorry. All right. I mean, like, can you really mess up making a sandwich? Is that a thing?
you probably can.
The best part about the bus, hide from the sun, drink some cold drinks, eat some food. We also just watched some of the footage that Pasha recorded from my camera. I'm going so slow! Like, in the car, it feels like I'm going fast and it feels like I'm pushing the car, but I'm obviously not. So, I need to step it up a little bit and just go a lot faster than I think is safe, and it'll probably still be fine. Because it looks like I'm just like kind of like cruising around the course.
Yeah.
Even though it feels like I'm going really fast, I'm not. So I gotta step it up. I'm sorry. This is the first event, all right? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Well, I feel bad because it looks so slow. It's like boring to watch.
He's trying, guys.
I'm trying. I'll get it someday.
We cut off this U shape, this
Okay.
up there where that sign is when you're going back.
Obviously, since I'm going slow, I gotta push it. I just gotta go faster than I think I'm going. I'll probably mess it up, but that's all right. Suspension is falling off. I think the little bit of stiffer suspension actually helped. Whew, that was good. I must have bumped my O2 sensor off at one point. Well, that's not good. They shortened the course, but I ran 9 seconds. I ran 9 seconds faster than my last previous best. That is it. That was the last run of the day. I don't really know if you guys could tell, but I got a 14-second faster run than my last previous. That's not including penalties, which I might have gotten penalties. I don't know if I hit any cones. But yeah, I'd say a 14-second improvement, pretty good. It did really well. Like, it was awesome. I definitely... There's a really loud Subaru. But he's ripping it. He's getting really good times. But yeah, I'm happy with those results. We're gonna load up the car, we have to work some more, and then we're gonna head home. It was awesome.
It was an amazing trip. I got to ride in a car with some really like cool guys.
He was in like one of the faster Subarus.
It was insane. Honestly, looking at the car as you're like spectating, it's so much different compared to being inside of a car. Like, I had to hold it, like, it was pretty intense. And
it's crazy because we're on dirt and we're still getting that much like, grip and stuff.
Yeah.
It's cool, it's really cool. It does kind of stink that it doesn't look as fast on camera, but oh well, I can promise you it's fast and fun.
It is, yeah, it definitely is.
Fun. So yeah, let's go work. I'm not looking forward to that. She's all loaded up, 5-hour drive ahead of us, so that's kind of gonna suck. I'm exhausted already, but we're gonna do it. So yeah guys, that's it. This weekend, this RallyCross event was such a huge success. I had so much fun. The Miata, obviously, it did great. The bus did great. The trailer was awesome. This is what it's all about. Taking a trip with the bus, using my cars, improving my driving, because it sucks. Meeting new people, making memories, it's so awesome. It makes me so happy. I learned a lot during this event, most importantly that in order to actually improve, in order to actually push the car, you really have to push yourself. You gotta go a lot faster than you think you're going. It's definitely gonna take a while to get used to. It's gonna be fun though. I'm sorry, I know it can be boring watching bad drivers,
but you know, everyone's got to start somewhere. So hopefully you guys can bear with me for the next couple events until I get a little better. Speaking of which, we do have an event with the Rally Miata this weekend. It's not a RallyCross, but it's still gonna be fun. It's still gonna help me learn car control. I wanna give a huge thanks to Pasha for coming with me and for helping me film some things. If you guys wanna see some behind the scenes of the trip, you can check out his channel. He recorded 2 vlogs, so you can go check those out. I also wanna just thank every one of you guys who came out to the event. There was a ton of you, and it was awesome to meet you guys. That was awesome. I also want to thank the people who set up the event, DMVR. That was an awesome event. That was so much fun. I had a blast. And everybody there was just so nice. To talk about the Miata a little bit more, it did awesome. There was absolutely 0 issues, no things I could think of that need improvement, at least not yet. Once I start driving a little bit harder, pushing it to the next level, maybe I'll find something, maybe I'll break something. But right now, it's awesome. I also want to say that, you know, filming events like this, it's kind of new to me. I don't do it very often. My last event that we went to was like more than a year ago. So if you guys have any tips, any certain angles you want to see, or any behind the scenes action that you want to see, or I don't know, if you have anything you want to see during these events, let me know. I could use some criticism. And with that, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please give it a like. If you didn't enjoy, please give it a dislike. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We're gonna have a lot more RallyCross events, a lot more autocross events, a lot more drift events coming up soon. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all, and bye-bye.